So we have a question on the board. We have that 7 raised to power 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 343. And we are now going to solve for the value of x. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, so we have 7 raised to power 3x minus 2 equals 1 divided by 343. Now, let us rewrite the right-hand side, 1 over 343. So now we have 1 over 343 is the same thing as 343 raised to power minus 1. Now, looking at this question, our aim is to try to see if we can get the bases to become the same. Since we already have 7 as the base on the left-hand side, let us see if we can rewrite 343 as a base of 7. Okay, so that means 7 should be divisible by 343 without having a remainder. So now let us try and see if this is possible. Now, if we divide through by 7, 7 in 34 is 4, so that's 28. And then we have 6 left. 7 in 63 is 9. 7 in 49 is 7. 7 here is 1. So this is 7 raised to power 3. That's what it is. Okay, so let's replace our 343 with 7 raised to power 3. So now we have 7 raised to power 3x minus 2 equals 7 raised to power 3 minus 1. Now we know that a raised to power m n is the same thing as a raised to power m times n. So let us rewrite our right-hand side using this formula. So now this becomes 7 raised to power 3x minus 2 equals 7 raised to power 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. Okay, so now you see that we have the same base. So all we need to do next is to equate the exponents. And the exponent on the left-hand side is 3x minus 2. And that on the right-hand side is minus 3. Now, we're going to try to move the variables on one side and then the numbers on a different side. Okay, so to do that, that means we need to get rid of minus 2. So to get rid of minus 2, we add 2 to both sides of the equation. So now this becomes 3x minus 2 plus 2 equals minus 3 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 will cancel out. So what we have left is 3x equals minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. Okay, now to find the value of x, we need to divide both sides by 3 because we need to now get rid of the 3 that is attached to the x. So we do that by dividing both sides by 3. That cancels. So we have our x to be equal to minus 1 over 3. This is our final answer. But then let us go ahead and verify just to be sure that our answer, our value of x is correct. So the question states 7 raised to power 3x minus 2. And we're trying to find out if that's going to be equal to 1 divided by 343. Okay, so we found our x to be minus 1 over 3. So let us plug in minus 1 over 3 into wherever we find x in our equation. So now this becomes 7 raised to power 3 times minus 1 over 3, okay, minus 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 1 over 343. That cancels. So we have 7 raised to power minus 1 minus 2, 1 over 343. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 over 343. We can rewrite 7 over 3 to become 1 divided by 7 over 3. And if we multiply 7 3 times, because that's what 7 over 3 means. 7 over 3 is the same thing as 7 times 7 times 7, and this is equal to 343. So 1 over 343 is what we have here, and this is also the same as what we have on the right hand side. So we see that our left hand side and our right hand side are now looking the same. So therefore, we've been able to verify or prove that our value of x, which is minus 1 over 3, is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more videos like this,